How you doing? My name is Rob, and I'm excited to announce today that Creators Cove is finally live. I've launched it this morning along with the YouTube starter course. Both are geared towards over 40 people, YouTube beginners. Okay, so what are these things? I'm here with my laptop and I'm going to show you. So Creators Cove is an online community. This is it. I'm logged in now. Now yours will look slightly different. Just because I'm logged in as the admin. And what you've got here is you've got a couple of links up at the top. This is the welcome screen. And right here on the welcome screen, there is a video that I advise that you watch. Okay, watch that video. It'll guide you through everything. All right, so from this main page of Creators Cove, you can launch the course. So let's just click on this really quick. This is the new course that I've launched. Again, I'm logged in as admin, so ignore this blue line up at the top here. That's only for me. But here are all of the videos in the course. There are 6 main sections. And there you go. So repeat, uploading, the editing section. There's 10 videos in that one. Organizing, recording, planning, and an introduction video. Everything, so there's 37 videos, and it walks you through everything I do when I make my YouTube videos. Okay, so if you want to emulate what I do, follow the instructions I give you here. Again, it goes over everything, including thumbnail design, coming up with titles, coming up with ideas for your next videos, and just basically helping you get some systems in place so that creating videos will be as quick as possible, and once you get used to your systems. Okay, so over 6.5 hours of content, 37 videos. So that's the course. It's in beta launch right now. So right now I'm offering it for half price. It's $97, and that includes 1 year free membership in Creators Cove. Okay, so once the beta launch period is over, then it's going to be $197. Again, it'll come with Creators Cove as well. Anytime I release a course, Creators Cove is going to be included, as that's going to be where you can go to get additional help. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Creators Cove. So what we've got here down on the left side are some membership rooms. So we have the Peanut Gallery. I'm going to click on this. So what this room is, basically that's where I'm going to share behind the scenes content. So most days I'm going to post a video in here just to kind of let you know what I'm up to. I just started posting last week, and I had one last night. No, that was this morning. Wow, 6 hours ago. I've been up a while. It's been a busy weekend making sure all of this is ready. There's already several people in here commenting, so that's great to see. So that's what the Peanut Gallery is, and thank you for my live stream viewers for helping me come up with that name. Then we have an introductions room here where you can come and introduce yourself and say hi to other new members. Share images here. This is one from Christine in Paris. So that's the introductions tab or chat room. Then there's general discussion, so you can talk about just about anything in here. There's a Q&A section, which is pretty quiet so far, and a share your wins section. Okay, so I just launched this, I'm going to say two to 3 hours ago. This video that I'm making now is what's going to launch it to all my subscribers in YouTube land. So far, I've only let the people know who actively asked to be notified when it was ready. Okay, so those are the main rooms. Now, you'll see down at the bottom here, there's another room, a VIP room. That is only if you get the VIP membership, which is $397, but that comes with group coaching as well. So twice a month, I'll get together with the VIP members and we'll have a group coaching call. I'll host the call, share my video and microphone, and you guys, if you're VIP members, can also share your video and microphone if you want. It's like a Zoom call, but it's all handled from within Creators Cove here. And if you go up to the top, here we can go back to the welcome screen with this button here. Feed is basically everything from all of the rooms consolidated into one long feed that's in chronological order. Challenges is something I'm going to add a little bit later on, but I haven't really got into that yet. But at some point, I'm going to set up some challenges for everybody. And then meetups. So this is where the group coaching is going to occur for the VIP members. I'll set up a meetup room, and we'll all get together. I'll schedule it so you'll know well in advance when it's going to be. And once I get some VIP members in, I think there's one so far, but I'm going to give it a few days, and then I will reach out to you, and we'll try to figure out when is a good time, twice a month, so every 2 weeks or so. Okay. In addition to that, there's going to be some one-on-one coaching available that I'm going to offer. I don't have that set up yet. I just want to see how busy I'm going to be with Creators Cove the way it is now first before I get into that. But if and when I do set up the one-on-one coaching and make that available to you, this is where that's going to occur, in the meetups room. I can create a private room just for me and whoever I'm coaching, and we can handle it that way. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That is Creators Cove. So we've got a leaderboard here where you can see, I'm not exactly sure how this works yet, but basically you get points the more you post. And I think for completing challenges as well, you'll get points. So I'll look into that a little bit more. You can go to the members tab and you can take a look at all the members that are in here. And you can actually, you can initiate from in here. So I'm just going to pick on Gary for a second. You can click on a name here, and then you can click on this little airplane icon, and you can message back and forth. Okay, so that's one way to get to it. Another way is if you hit this speech bubble up here, you'll see that there are direct message options, and you can message back and forth with your community members. Okay, and you can initiate a message by clicking on this button here and then selecting who you want to message and then go from there. Okay, so we've got some rules in place as well just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Obviously, we're not going to tolerate any hate speech or bullying or harassment of any kind. Activities like that will get you banned. But yeah, and you have the ability to block people as well as report people who are breaking those rules, okay, or being inappropriate. So, but hopefully we won't have to deal with that. We are all, or mostly, over 40 anyways, so perhaps we're a little bit more mature than that. Okay, so that's it. That is Creators Cove, and that is the course. Both are available now. If you click on the link below, that'll take you to a landing page where you can read a little bit more about these and where you can sign up for either the standard membership or the VIP membership. Again, both will come with the starters course. What else? Once you sign up, you will get an email automatically with login instructions. And that's it. So when you get that email, you can click log in. You can right away leave a message. Send me a message if you want in Creators Cove. If not, I'll probably reach out to you. And yeah, enjoy the course. I hope you get some value out of this. It took me quite a while to make this, but this is my first course. So let me also just say that the reason this is a beta launch is because I want to get some feedback from the first people who take the course. So that's you if you sign up. And I want to know if there's anything I missed or anything that you hoped I would have included. Okay? Anything that perhaps I could have explained better, I want to know about. And then what I'm going to do is create additional bonus videos that I'm then going to add to the course. And then you as a beta launch participant will get that additional bonus content for free when I have it available. So that might be a month or more from now, once I get all the feedback and then create those additional videos. But once I have them, they'll go into the course. You'll get access to that those additional bonus videos, and the price will go up to $197, or I believe it's $497 for the VIP option. So price goes up by $100, and that's because it won't be in beta anymore. Then it's a full-on launch. But yeah, so that's it. Let me know what you think. That's Creators Cove. and the new starters course or starter course geared towards over 40. I hope you like it. I hope you find some value in it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if I'm on the right track as to what you're looking for, and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in a live stream if you're interested. I host a live stream every Tuesday at 1 o'clock Eastern Time, so that's Toronto or New York, depending on where you are in the world. Just look up Toronto or New York, 1 o'clock their time, and I host a live stream. It'll probably be around 2 hours. I had been going a little bit long for some of them, but last week I kept it to just over 2 hours. And especially since I'm going to be getting into the group coaching as well with the VIP members, I'm going to have to make sure I limit the live streams to 2 hours. But it's like a Q&A. Anybody can participate for free. And yeah, so drop on in and say hi there. And I hope to see you there. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hey guys, I'm excited to announce that the Creators Cove community for over 40 YouTube beginners is now live. Test, test, test. Hey guys. Hey guys, Creators Cove is live. What is Creators Cove? Share their wins and get help, ask questions, get Hey guys, I'm Rob, and I'm excited to announce that the Creators Cove community for over 40 YouTube beginners is now live. I launched it this morning, along with the over 40 YouTube starters course. Hey guys, I'm Rob, and I'm excited to announce that the Hey guys, I'm Rob. Hey guys, I'm Rob, and I'm excited to announce that Creators Cove, a community for online... Hey guys, my name's Rob, and today I'm excited to announce that Creators Cove is finally live. And, yeah, that... Fuck. Jeez.